Welcome to another 1 Minute Wednesday, where we try our best to cover one of Desk Director's many features in about a minute. Today, let's explore how to manage your menus in Desk Director, ensuring a seamless portal experience for your users. In the admin console, you will find the default menu, a global setup that automatically applies when no specific menu is assigned to a company or contact. You can create and customize menus to suit different needs. Simply search, modify, and organize menu items in the menu group page. Remember, the default menu is your foundation, while custom menus offer flexibility. Menus are assigned using a cascading override approach. Global menus are overridden by company menus, which in turn are overridden by contact menus. This ensures the most relevant menu is displayed. The first item in any menu becomes the landing page, the first screen users see. It's crucial to choose a relevant item, like Create Ticket or Invoices, to guide users effectively. That's all for today's 1 Minute Wednesday. By mastering menu management, you provide a tailored and efficient navigation experience for your clients. Thanks for watching, and continue exploring Desk Director to optimize your portal capabilities.